What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Me Straight's back with another video. You feel me? Today is day 2 as my mic was muted, so it's been 5 minute intro already. It's 9:36. Market's already open, so we're gonna get straight to it. Let's see. Let's see. Um, yeah, I got another technique I'm gonna try and incorporate. Let's see if we can get a dub today. Hopefully we can. This is nice SQ, so we're gonna enter. It's the 1 hour time frame, so I don't know. I'm gonna stick to what we doing, and I'm gonna see if we see any difference. Probably stick there. We're going back to candlesticks. So it came, it broke. All right, it broke. Would that be a retest basically? It came. No, it didn't really. I guess you could say yeah. So if I was to enter right here, oh, that's a long. If I was to enter a short right here, stop loss right here, looking for a 2R multiple. Let's play that out. That would actually be a winning trade, possibly. I feel like it'd probably be a little too late to enter now because it's already, you feel me, where is that? It's almost there too. Bam! It would have broke. It would have broke. I was too busy. What was I doing in a 1 hour time frame? It would have snapped right there. I just lost. Well, okay, let's see if we can get another one then. Well, okay, I got too excited. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how that close out. We're gonna see. Yeah, the market, I think I went to the 1 hour time frame. The market was still, you feel me, it was in a downtrend, so maybe. That's crazy. At least I caught it. Like I be knowing what I be knowing what I be talking about, man. I be knowing what I be talking about. I probably still could have entered here, right? If I entered here for my stop loss here, targeted a 2R multiple, we gotta be all the way down here. Gang. Chat. Are we seeing this? Like I hope we witnessing this together. Like, you see how I was like. But the remainder of this video is basically like me trying to wait to see if I was gonna catch another retest, but from the looks of it, I never caught another retest, and that was really it. That was the end of the video. So I'm gonna let it play up to a certain extent, and then I'm gonna just cut it straight to the outro or the ending of the video, and then yeah, that really be it. There's nothing really much to it. I missed my trade, and that was that. Next time I had to come back better, so that I lock in and focus on when my strategy straight starts to show and everything falls in line. You feel me? But hey, that was it. Seen it. I seen it firsthand. But yeah, I'm about to hop off. That's the day. if I do get a notification and I still have time to enter a trade, if it like somehow miraculously comes in, touches this, and it's not within that time zone, I'll probably screen record it. I'll probably see if I can enter because it's still within my range and it touched that. So I'll probably see if I can enter it to see if it'll go towards the downside. But yeah, as of for right now, that's really it. It's your boy Meech Trades. You feel me? This was a great trade actually today. A great setup and everything. We just failed to pay attention and catch it on time. So yeah, and if hopefully next week Monday, first trading day of November, we'll come in with a beautiful dub. But yes, I'm gonna catch y'all later. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe. I will get to y'all Monday.